Hello everybody, it's me, the Mind Injector. In this video I am going to tell you 5 ways to manage money more effectively in 2022. Money management can sometimes feel overwhelming, particularly when dealing with economic factors such as inflation. Yet, the start of a new year is a great time to take a closer look at your finances and make a plan for the year ahead. In this video we share 5 simple ways to take charge of your finances and set yourself up for a prosperous year ahead. Number 1 on the list is assess your financial situation. One of the best ways to manage your money is to have a clear sense of how much you have coming in and going out each month. We recommend making a list of your current income and expenses to get a complete picture of how you're spending your money. This should include all sources of income, including part-time or side gig income. Also, rent or housing expenses, transportation expenses, groceries, and entertainment expenses. Number 2 on the list is set financial goals. If you are hoping to increase your emergency savings or set aside more in your 401, be sure to write down these goals so you can have a better idea of which areas to focus on. We also recommend that you prioritize your list so that the most important goals stay on top of mind, because focusing on 2 or 3 main goals is a great way to boost your financial health without feeling overwhelmed. Number 3 on the list is establish a manageable budget. Once you have your goals in place, you can create your budget. This should take into account your regular monthly expenses, such as housing and transportation, as well as additional expenses including hobbies and entertainment. To truly optimize your budget, you may want to consider following the 50-30-20 rule, which takes into account your current needs and long-term goals. Here's what your budget breakdown should look like. 50% will be allocated to needs, including recurring expenses. 30% will be allocated to wants, such as nice-to-have items for your home. 20% will be allocated to financial goals, including your emergency fund and retirement savings. By taking a strategic approach to budgeting, you can limit any unnecessary spending and create a plan you can stick to. Number 4 on the list is automate your savings. Taking the guesswork out of saving is also a great idea, and automating the process can help. You can do this by setting up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account, or increasing the contributions to your 401. Shifting the money to other accounts automatically will ensure that you're paying yourself first and not overspending. Also, if the unexpected happens, having emergency savings in place will allow you to handle the expenses more easily without sacrificing your regular income in the process. Last one on the list is remember that time is money. New business owners often start out with one person running the show. Marketing and sales, accounting and product design, shipping and customer services, it's all in a small business owner's job description. But as you grow, it's important to know which tasks you excel at and which ones you probably have no business doing. It's sure that you can read through thousands of pages of tax code and spend 12 hours preparing your own tax return, but what is the opportunity cost of those 12 hours? Could you pay someone else a fraction of that to handle filing a tax return for you? This is what you must do to put it into action. Once you have enough revenue producing work to keep you busy 40 hours a week, start looking for tasks to outsource. You might work with an outside accountant to ensure your books are in order. Hire a virtual assistant to handle email and other routine tasks. Or outsource your social media to someone who can grow your online presence. After all of this, we come into a conclusion that running a small business is no easy task. But it's easier when you stay organized and disciplined. When you dive in and get comfortable with your business finances, you'll have a better idea of how your business is really doing, where improvements are needed, and where growth is possible. This is it for this video guys, thanks for watching and please make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment down below.